Hello guys, and a very warm welcome to the Bear and Turnip Embroidery channel. In this week's floral embroidery, I have managed to veer way off course and it ended up with a bunch of lemons. I don't know if it's the warm summer weather, but when I think of summer, I think of lemon trees and lemonade. Did you guys know that lemons are a native of Asia and that California and Arizona produce pretty much all the lemon crops for the US? Lemons are also a wonderful health benefit source as they have lots of vitamin C and soluble fiber. They can help you with indigestion, kidney stones, and weight loss. But best of all, lemons are a wonderful inspiration for the embroidery arts. I hope that you enjoy me in watching how this lovely lemon embroidery was created. And if you would be so kind, please hit the like and subscribe button to support this hardworking YouTuber. Well, thank you very much for spending a little bit of your day embroidering these lovely lemons with me. If I can convince you to hit the like and subscribe button, it would really help this small and tiny channel grow. If you have any questions about embroidering or want to leave any comments for me, just stick them in the comments section below and I'd be more than happy to get back to you. I think that's all for me for today, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!